Hello guys, this is one more tech unboxing. This is a quick unboxing and overview of Xiaomi Pendrive 64 GB, which I bought it from AliExpress. I got it within 10 days. So I'm just going to open it. I already opened. I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, here is the Xiaomi Pendrive 64 GB variant, and they have mentioned some Chinese, mentioned in Chinese. So I already opened. One minute. Yeah, there are some instructions like this will support Windows 10, Windows 8 and 7 and Mac OS, and also they have some dimensions: USB 3.0 and 64 GB 4 gram weight, and they have given some other stuffs. So I just opened it. So here is a pen drive. So here is 64 GB variant, and if you see in the side, you will get to know the MI symbol on that. I don't know whether it is visible or not. That's all. 64 GB. This is actually a leather strap which you can use. It's really good. The transferring rate I manually tested, it is like reading speed is around 100 Mbps and the writing speed is around 80 Mbps. I tested with 1.5 GB file. So overall it is good. So it's cost around 900 from AliExpress. I will add the Best Buy link in the description. Thank you guys.